Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by softening the sticker's adhesive so removal is controlled. Heat the empty pan on low for 1 to 2 minutes to warm the glue. This makes it pliable. Once done, turn off heat and pour warm water with 1 to 2 drops of dish soap over the sticker, letting it sit about 5 minutes. Then, using a plastic scraper or the edge of an old credit card, lift a corner gently. The softened adhesive will begin to release without scratching the surface. Once a corner is lifted, peel the sticker slowly at a low angle so the adhesive separates instead of tearing. If sticky residue remains, apply a small amount of vegetable or olive oil and let it penetrate for 5 to 10 minutes. Oil breaks down glue molecules and eases cleaning. Then rub gently with a microfiber cloth in circular motions to lift residue. Make sure to reapply oil sparingly and repeat the wet and wipe cycle until you finish by degreasing and restoring the pan's surface. Wash thoroughly with hot water and dish soap, rinse and dry. If a small stubborn spot remains, make a paste of baking soda and water, apply gently with a soft cloth, and rinse. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, so test on an inconspicuous edge first. If the pan's coating appears scratched or damaged at any point, stop aggressive methods and consult the manufacturer's care instructions to avoid worsening the finish. This simple check prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.